All right, we just got this. Let's unbox it. It's a Mytrex massager. Well, so far so good, right? Okay, look at this. There's a booklet. I cannot read that. Maybe, nope. There's nothing in English on here. All right, so what do we got? This thing looks freaking awesome. Look at that. Wow. It's got some stuff on it. We gotta take that off. Over here, I do believe we've got a battery, no, plug. So this has a USB and a C to A, right? So let's go ahead, we'll take this and this. And I think if I pop this up, we can actually take a look at the unit itself, which I think is going to be phenomenal. Wow. Wow, look at that thing. What the heck is going on with this thing? It looks fun, looks cool, right? So now all we got to do is plug it in and try it out. It's got these things and these things, which I have no idea what they are. But this is the control thing. And it's got plus and minus, heat, power. Not sure, oh, I'm not sure what that is, and I'm not sure what that is. But it does come with this little booklet, which we'll have to take a look at. So yeah, that's the unboxing. And I believe, like, you know, you can do this like partner style, you know what I mean? Let me move this. What I mean is like this, right? On somebody's shoulders, you know, because it's got these handholds. So I guess that's how it works. But now we just got to plug it in and try it out. All right, so to find your USB-C, you've got to look all over the darn thing. You know, you're looking everywhere, and then bam, there it is. So we've got our little block. Slide that over a little bit. And we just got to hook it in. Right like that. So we've got our block. Smush it in. And then this has got to go in here. You follow me? Okay, that's in. Now I've got to plug it in over here. Let's get it plugged in. And bam, Bob's your uncle. Now, I don't know exactly how it's going to work, but I would imagine that we have to turn it on. Now, if you look, it's got this thing on here. So you got to pull that off. And that gives you a little bit more room. You follow me? And here, look, we've got something happening here. Now, if I press this button, that should turn it on, right? Maybe press and hold. Nothing going on there. Nothing there. So, I don't know. We're not really getting a lot of action here. Maybe it's got to charge. Do we have to charge it? It's got this thing on. Let me see here. Let me try this again. Well, I guess what we can do is just we'll let it sit here, and possibly maybe it charges, and then we can use it. But right now, all I'm seeing is this thing, which means there's power going into it, but I don't know if, you know, I have no idea. I'm going to have to do some reading. All right, I'm probably going to have to do some scanning and changing this into English because I can't read any of it. I don't know what it says. I have no idea. It doesn't, you know, it doesn't really tell me anything. You know what I mean, jelly beans? I mean, we can look at some pictures. Let's take a look at this. All right, this is the thing here. And apparently it's supposed to, you know, shine on, which we're not really getting any action there. And this, you know, is the on button. But nothing's happening, right? Because I'm not getting anything up here. So I guess maybe we have to let it charge. I think that's probably the best bet. And then I will scan this with my Google Reader, and hopefully we'll figure it out. But yeah, it would be nice if there was, oh look here, thank you. Aha, we might be able to try this and see if we can figure out some stuff by looking at this QR code. So we'll try that, and then we'll come back and give this time to charge.